Hi guys, I'm going to review your assignment 5, task 3 with you today. So today is Tuesday, 4/7. Let me hide this. Sorry. Today is Tuesday, 4/7, 2020. Okay, this is the almost spring break, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom this in. Let me close my door really fast. So let's review our assignments for the rest of this week. For Tuesday, we have assignment 5, task 3. That's what we're going to do today. Then for Wednesday, we're working on task 4. And then for Thursday, we're trying to complete all unfinished work, as well as for Friday, we're trying to complete all unfinished work. Okay, so if you have any work incomplete, I expect you to finish it for the rest of this week. All right, this is going to be like your catch-up week. I'm sorry, I don't know what's always wrong with the camera. There's always something wrong with it. But for Monday through Friday of next week, I'm going to provide you 3 quizzes, 3 links, okay? I'm going to release them the day of. I'm going to release one on Monday, one on Wednesday, one on Friday. This is going to be live, okay? So if you attend these, and all it is for participation, right? If you attend these and complete the quizzes, and I see your name under the quizzes completion, then you are going to get an automatic grade boost for your 3 lowest grades. So for example, if for assignment 2 you have a 0, I'm going to boost it up to a 70%, okay? Look at that. So a lot of people who have 45%, your grade could be boosted to an 80% or maybe even more because you're going to get points here. Next Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, live quizzes. I'll post events on Google Classroom, so stay tuned. Also, my expectation for you is to complete assignment 5, okay? All of assignment 5. If you complete assignment 5, then you are going to have a really easy week when we come back after spring break, just FYI. Cool, so making sure, moving on, due now, essential question, task 3, and your homework is due Friday. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. This is your due now for today. What is a bobtail squid and how does it look like? Well, you have to use 2 complete sentences to explain your answer. And then here at the bottom, it says, there's a new squid in town. Scientists find and classify species of a bobtail squid. You have to read, you have to use your evidence, you have to tell us what is the bobtail squid and how does it look like based on the text. Essential question, how you can use a dichotomous key to classify and identify organisms. Let's play a game. I'm going to show you how to play this game, all right? Let me move myself down. So this is task 3, okay? First quarter of your assignment. You're going to click on this link below and play the game. I'm going to have the link ready for you in your assignment tab. Then you're going to send me a photo or a screenshot of your work. My number is here. I give you my number as well in the assignment, and or you can upload it to Google Classroom. 2 options, text me, upload it to Google Classroom, whichever is easiest for you to know that you completed it, okay? It's either a 0 or 100, either a 0 or 100 for today. So I'm gonna go over this with you. This is really fun. Okay, so the one that I want you to choose, you can choose any one of these. You choose from 3 environments because your goal is to classify species. So I want to do the lowland forest. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 species for me to identify here. There are 6 species for me to identify here. So I'm just going to start with 1. Okay, I'm going to start with 1. So for 1, this is plant number 1. It's a shrub, which means it's a smaller tree. Here are the instructions. 1, click on the plant drawing to see your first 2 decision boxes. Okay, this is how we identify species. I'm going to click on the plant. Cool. Now I'm going to identify the leaf type. So is it a simple leaf or is it a compound leaf? It gives you pictures. What does this look like to you? Does it look like a simple or does it look like a compound leaf? I'm going to wait for you to write down your answer. Miss Bella, pause this if you haven't. All right, so it looks like a compound leaf to me. So I'm going to click on the leaf and I'm going to say that it is a compound leaf. Now, is it pinnate or is it bipinnate or is it palmate? Does it look like a palm? So it gives me these like examples, right? this is how it looks like, this is how it looks like, this is how it looks like. I'm going to say that it looks like a pinnate to me. So I know it's a compound leaf. It looks like it's pinnate, or not palmate, so it's pinnate. And then it looks like as so it is, I see multiple blooming. It kind of looks like the leaflet more. So it's bipinnate. And it says, sorry, choose again. So that's wrong, right? So see, if you make mistakes, you have to do it all over again. So we know that it's a compound, right? We know that it is not palmate. So we already know that it's not binnate. So it has to be pinnate. And that says that we chose the leaf correctly. It is pinnate because it blooms from the opposite side. If it had a branch blooming off of this stem, then that would make it bipalmate. Bi means two, right? So that is why. Then click here to continue. You're going to continue to identify the species just like we did before, all right? I want you to try this on your own. If you need extra help, then I'm going to ask people to share their screen and I can do it with them. Okay, so as of now, that is all I have for you today, because that is all your assignment. So if you have any questions, like if you watched this before, if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? Oops. Bye, guys. Let me see, log off.